I am Sabu Thomas, Director of the School of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. I am extremely delighted to tell you that the School of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology of Mahatma Gandhi University is offering a very important online course. The title of the course is Mastering Polymer Nanocomposites from Fundamentals to Applications. This is actually a 14 weeks program comprising of 40 modules. And this course is going to be taken by me partly and my colleagues at the School of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. Dear friends, students and colleagues, composites are fascinating materials. They are multi-phase materials consisting of a matrix in which you have continuous or discontinuous reinforcements. The matrix and reinforcements are having entirely different properties, entirely different physical properties, chemical properties. There's a very, very definite, distinguishable interface. And the interface plays a very important role in determining the properties of a composites. Dear friends, composites are being used for a large number of applications. Aerospace, Navy, automotives, construction, housing, infrastructure, a large number of applications. Without composites, we cannot live. Let me also tell you something about nanocomposites. Nanocomposites are also composites, but there's a difference. The reinforcement is nano-sized, at least in one dimension, in the range of 1 to 100 nanometer. And the nanofillets could be one-dimensional, or two-dimensional, or three-dimensional. It could be spherical fillets, like silica. It could be nanotubes. It could be nanofibers. It could be clay. So you can have a wide range of fillets. When you put these nanofillets into polymers, you get unusual properties. Very high mechanical strength without sacrificing ductility, without sacrificing transparency. Very good electrical properties, very good resistance to liquid transport, air transport, vapor transport, very good resistance to flame, very good resistance to abrasion. So you can get lots of fascinating properties by adding nanofillets into polymers. It's also very important to mention that the interface of these polymer nanocomposites play a very important role in determining the properties of polymer nanocomposites. Worldwide now, large number of laboratories from industry and academia work in the area of polymer nanocomposites. Mahatma Gandhi University has a large number of collaborations. Different polymer nanocomposite laboratories from United States, Canada, Japan, Europe, Africa, Australia. So we cooperate with a large number of nanocomposite laboratories across the globe, including China. Recently I was in China. We are starting a very active nanocomposite collaboration with Lanzhou University in the area of quantum dots for illumination, for making LEDs. Dear colleagues, now let me tell you about the totality of our course. The course duration is 14 weeks and 40 modules. The introduction of the course will be taken by me. I will talk about the introductory aspects of polymer nanocomposite. The historical background I will explain in my presentation. I will also talk about the significance of polymer nanocomposites. I will also briefly talk about the interface design of polymer nanocomposites. That will be the first course, that is the first week of the program. On the second week, my colleague Dr. Jayavani is going to talk about fundamentals of polymer nanocomposites. Jayavani also will speak on the polymer matrix materials. That is the second and third week. Fourth week, the course will be taken by Dr. Harikrishnan P. He is going to talk about nanoparticles for polymer nanocomposites. A variety of nanoparticles are being used for polymer nanocomposite preparation. In the fifth week, Dr. Harikrishnan will continue to talk on nanoparticle synthesis and functionalization, because functionalization is extremely important to make a strong interface, to improve the dispersion, to improve the interface interaction between nanoparticles and polymer matrices. Again, on the sixth week, Dr. Harikrishnan will talk about design of polymer nanocomposite interfaces. As I told you earlier, interfaces play a very important role in determining the properties of polymer nanocomposites. Dr. Harikrishnan will again talk on dispersion and interfacial phenomena in polymer nanocomposite in the seventh week. On the eighth week, Dr. Jayavani will talk about the fabrication techniques of polymer nanocomposites. You know, polymer nanocomposites could be fabricated by a large number of techniques: mechanical mixing, solution mixing, in situ polymerization, freeze drying. So she will talk about all these techniques. On the 10th week, the course is going to be taken by Dr. Srikala, the Associate Professor of School of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, and she's going to talk about the characterization of polymer nanocomposite. She's going to give a comprehensive characterization techniques on the 10th week. On the 11th week, Dr. Harikrishnan will continue to talk about characterization, because characterization is so big. Harikrishnan will speak more on the spectroscopy, rheological analysis, morphological analysis. And dear friends, one thing I wanted to tell you, all these classes are taken in a sort of interactive mode. We'll have a lot of interaction with the students. We'll have question answer session. After every course, we will give lots of assignments to the students, so that the class will be very vibrant. On the 13th week, Dr. Srikala will talk about a very important topic, bio-nanocomposites. She will tell how bio-nanofillers could be extracted from nature, like nanocellulose, nanochitin, nanostarch. These bio-nanocomposites are getting a lot of momentum worldwide because they are green materials. Dr. Srikala is an expert in that field. And on the 14th week, I will summarize the total course. I will talk about, in my summarized approach, I will talk about the applications. I will talk about the future trends. I will talk about the challenges of polymer nano. What are the future challenges? Probably you all know that the world is actually thinking about thinner, lighter, and strong materials. I will talk about applications in space, applications for infrastructure, applications on housing, applications for marine. So I will cover a variety of applications. And I will also mention what are the new challenges and opportunities for polymer nanocomposite in academic industry. I'm sure if you attend this program, you will get a comprehensive understanding on the design, manufacturing, structure, morphology, and properties, and finally applications of polymer nanocomposites. Thank you so much.